Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy KG, and welcome to the OBS tutorial. Now, I'm not really the most knowledgeable surfing about this, so if I get some things wrong, then I apologize, but it's your fault because you're the one who clicked on the video. Okay, so basically I'm going to be teaching you the basics of OBS. Since I actually do know that, I can help you out with that. So yeah, I'm not going to drag up the intro, let's just go ahead and get started. First off, you can already see this is weird, just don't worry about this, but yeah. Okay, so basically, first off, what we're going to go over is the main two things about OBS, scene and sources. Alright, now, scenes are pretty simple. You click the plus sign right here, and then you can make a scene out of it. Name it what you want and everything, and whenever you do it, it will show up as a black scene. Nothing at all. You can see this on the screen I'm showing right now. Nothing. Nada. Now, I'm gonna show you the buttons from here, but I'm gonna change it over time. That's gonna be. Let's just make that be seen as our. Let's just say that's your YouTube video. If you're recording a video, that's what you want the thing to look like. So, what we're gonna do first is we would go down here to sources and we'll click the plus here. So I'm going to go over here and do that. And now let's say that we did it on here. It'll show you all the options. So you can see there's audio, audio input, audio capture. We don't want to worry about all this. This is all just random stuff. There's only two main things that you will need to worry about, because it automatically captures audio if you have it plugged in. What you want to do is worry about, first off, display capture right here. That's how you actually have them see your screen. So I'm going to add that over here, display capture, and then there. Now it's seeing my screen, and I don't have to, stay out of that one anymore. I can just keep it right here, and now it's showing the scene. And also, they will never see OBS unless you're actually inside of it. If you click on a scene, it will only record that scene and what you added to it. So they won't see anything unnecessary. Now, we will now go to more sources. There are other things that you can add here, but that's mainly if you want to. So, let's say video capture device. If you have a webcam like I do, then you can click on that, add it there, and it will use an existing one that you have. See? Hello. Yeah, I'm not going to add that here though, because this is just a tutorial. So, do what you want. I'm not having the webcam here though for this test one. So yeah. So if you want to, you can just go from here. The desktop audio already gets recorded, and so does your mic audio. But you may have noticed those fancy overlays I have, like one for the webcam that's over here. Or you can notice the one for like Be Right Back, or you've seen anything else. And you may wonder, how did I do that? How did I get people to see what how did I get them to see those overlays over the video? Or over a stream, if that's how you wanted to use this. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I shall show you. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to be going to a website. I'm going to close out of OBS, don't worry, it'll stay recording. And it'll even let you know when it is down here at the bottom of the screen. So don't worry about that. Now, let's go to Google. We're going to go to Google, and we're going to type in stream elements. This is going to be your best friend. Now, you have to log in first and all that, but it's pretty simple to do, so don't worry about any of that. Now, once you log in with stream elements, you are going to want to get an overlay. Okay? This is an easy part. Just get the overlay. I'd recommend going to Overlay Gallery and just find an overlay that suits you. You can go for most popular, and this is the one I'm using right here, blue flare. But you can choose any of them you want to. There's different color flares, there's different themes, and you can pick any of them you want to. And all of them are free, so you don't have to worry about that. All of them are free, you're not going to get charged for anything. This is all just to help the creators. Now, pick any of them you want to. I'm just going to go with what I normally use. So yeah, Once you pick your one, which this is the one I picked, then you want to go to overlays, and then you want to find the one that you wanted to use. And you're going to make different scenes for each of them, okay? But don't worry, I'm not going to make it complicated. Okay, it's really simple. If you want to add it, all you have to do is, let's start out with the stream starting. Click the three dots there, and then copy URL. That's all you have to do. That's their main part in Stream Elements done. You want to go back to OBS, like we are now. And then let's go back over here. You will click on the plus, and you will add browser for a browser source. Name it whatever you want to. Since this is going to be the starting one, then I'm going to add it in as if it's a starting one. So, starting scene. This is just to make it look better. I have one right here, but I'm not going to use that, and it's just going to go along with that as if I was brand new. No. You can, if you wanted to, you can just have it fill the entire screen. But it's going to be kind of hard for it to do that, because it just does that. So instead, what I'd recommend is, remember these two. You want to change the width to 1920, not 12, 20, and change the height to 1080. Once you did that, you see this URL. This is just here to show you what it would look like. Take it away, and then Control-C, Control-V, and paste in the URL that you have in the other thing. Click OK. Now, it basically fills up the entire screen. If it doesn't, you can make it fill up the entire screen. And then boom, you immediately have your overlay, and it's already looking nice. And like I said, since it only shows the scene that you're on right now, and it doesn't show OBS, this is all that the people on your stream would see. And it all works out. It's sick. And also, if you don't like how the overlay looks perfectly and you want to edit stuff, like if you don't have a webcam or stuff like that, you can also do that too. We're going to go back here. We're going to go over through here, and we're going to go down back to Stream Elements. We're going to choose the one that you don't want to worry about. So let's say that you are going for the Stream Starting Soon one. We'll click Edit on it. Then, once you do it, you can add whatever you want to. Change the name of this to your actual YouTube or your Instagram or Twitch, your Twitter, Facebook, anything like that. Change the timing for the stream starting. Do whatever you want. It's all up to you. This is all your stuff. All the tools are let out. You just have to change what it says on there, and that's it. Now, after you do whatever changes you want to do, click Save up here and copy URL. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the timer just right here. It's going to stay here, and it's now almost perfectly in the middle. So move it right here, align it with the center, try to move the name as well, and then once you have it all situated, then you can just go ahead and save it. And also, they already have stuff that's set up for alerts, like, you know, getting tips, bits, stuff like that. You can set those all up on your own time, and those are all also on Stream Elements. It's a pretty simple walkthrough, but I'm not going to explain it because the Stream Elements basically explains it better themselves. So yeah, once you're done with all the changes you're planning on making, click Save, and then copy URL. If you already have the URL copied in, it will automatically update. Let's go back to OBS. If we check the scene too, as you can see, it now looks different. So, that's kind of all there is to it, honestly. It's a lot more simple than you would have thought, yeah? So, all you gotta do, add the webcam, add the gameplay, and if you want to add anything else, use Stream Elements and just add them in the sources. It's easy. There's more advanced stuff, but that's not for me to cover because I'm not up in that rank yet. I hope this helps any of you and helps you enjoy the video, because this is coming from somebody who barely knows about OBS himself, so I hope it makes it easier for you to understand. Anyways, see y'all later.